seats and maintain physical distancing. Thank you.
So our boarding group is about to get called. So we're gonna head into Galaxy's Edge now. And what? I think it's for alien swirling saucers.
Oh.
So the line for alien swirling saucers goes into Galaxy's Edge, loops around, and comes back out.
Oh.
That's how crowded it is today. And let me tell you, the weather's gorgeous. So I don't blame anybody for coming here.
Let's go here.
All right, here we go. I think I lied. So the line that came into Galaxy's Edge is not for alien swirling saucers. It's for Smuggler's Run. So it basically starts outside of Galaxy's Edge, like right near Toy Story Land. This is insane. So here's the end of the line just to go shopping in the stores. Wow. And it wraps around that corner. This is crazy.
Rise of the Resistance, it's time. Getting close. Getting close. Raise the
BB-8. Prep the ready room for recruits. Commander 9-9, please report back to ITS cockpit.
Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Poundam and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Dakara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
Hurry, all recruits to transport. No need for safety gear. It'll be a smooth ride.
Everybody come on out.
We're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. Go check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shields.
Company, first order TIE fighters. Reroute! Reroute! Red Shoe Blue Flag, we gotta clear a path so transport can make a jump. They're all over us!
We lost Red 2, more incoming. Blue 5 taking evasive action.
Try to shake him, Blue!
I'm trying, but...
We lost Blue 5! I'm gonna try to draw him away!
Copy that. Get us clear so we can make the jump.
Be ready, you won't have much time!
Where are all those TIE fighters coming from? Star Destroyers. We can't. We're caught in a tractor beam. It's pulling us in.
I'll get some friends and make us a fair fight. Don't worry, I'll come back for you. Stay strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, Resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Resistance sympathizers. This vessel is now under the command of the First Order. You will disembark and proceed down the hall for interrogation. And please get out.
See them move.
Right here, the rest of you straight back. Single file line, spies, try to look like you know what you're doing.
The resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Thank you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened.
That's different.
Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right.
Everyone has different paths, so.
You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, those are the prisoners. We have a breach in detention block 3.
Cover is blown. Find them out. Who picked these two droids anyway?
How awesome. Oh no!
There they are! Fire!
Let it go up now.
Distinct box just forward.
Going up.
Take the lift down. Hurry! No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Found the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Wow, this is awesome. I never experienced this one. It's like it's different.
Attention, all resistance personnel, abandon ship. I repeat, abandon ship. There's no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the resistance.
Hold on, it's going down. We're gonna drop. This is the drop. This is the drop.
It's a drop.
Hold on.
came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the
Great!
That's amazing. Nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're
And we're outside.
I think I have that authority. Right, Deck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know. Scapper is loud beacon. Lieutenant Beck there. Beck! I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.
Oh, Nick, how was it?
Dude, my mind is blown.
Awesome, right?
Oh man, just everything was so clear.
Yeah.
Like the fact that you could see everything, it was a trackless ride. The stormtroopers.
Yeah.
I'm just a loss of words. I'm just shocked how great that was. And I want to go on like 100 more times.
Yeah. Uh-oh, we got stormtroopers. Thank you
For what?
for getting us the passes.
The boarding pass?
Yeah.
Of course. You can't not go on it. I'm not gonna like do that just because I can't go on it. Who cares?
Well, I asked for salad, but they gave me fries too. So.
Oh yeah, and they can't take the food back,
I'm
so.
good with that. We're in line.
We're in line.
Ooh.
And getting yelled at. Look at my hair. Look at my hair.
I got messed up. That was wild. Right?
Oh my goodness.